everybody, welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations. Today I am bringing to you a 99-cent store haul. It's been a minute since I've been to the 99-cent store because over the last couple months when I have gone, I haven't seen a lot of new merchandise. Kayla and I went the other day and I gotta tell you, we found some fantastic finds. 99-cent store is carrying some amazing new items that are comparable to items that you see at the Dollar Tree right now. And so I wanted to bring you this haul as soon as I could, so if you see anything in this haul and you have a 99-cent store near you, you can go pick up some of these items and hopefully they carry them. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. And if you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Now let's jump into this 99-cent store haul so I can show you these amazing new items that the 99-cent store is now carrying. I am going to start this haul off with my favorite find. And my favorite find by far at the 99-cent store this trip is these As Seen on TV copper knives. This past Christmas, I just replaced all of my pots and pans and I replaced them with the Copper Chef and the Master Chef. So when I saw these copper knives at the 99-cent store, even though they are $1.99, I thought, you know what, I'm picking up two of them, one for the house, one for the motorhome, and I will be doing a product review on these this week. So if you are interested in getting these and they work good, you can run to your local 99-cent store if you have one and pick one of these up because $1.99 is a fantastic buy. And a bamboo cutting board in the measurements of 13 by 9 inches, and this too was $1.99. Father's Day is coming up and Allie always says the word ever. When she references our hugs, she says, "You give the best hugs ever. You give the best kisses ever. You give the best snuggles ever." And so when I saw this at the 99-cent store, I had to get this, and I am going to definitely put a picture of Allie and Jeff from her father-daughter dance in here for her to give to him for Father's Day. This was a pick from Allie. She loved the colors. She said it was gonna go good with her room, so she wanted it for her room, and it says Home Sweet Home, this wood plaque. I picked up two of these chalkboard stickers. There are 2 sheets in each pack. These are great for crafting, for gifting, for mason jars, and for 99 cents for 2 sheets, you can't beat that, so I picked up 2. Now these metal orbs here are items that I feel are very comparable to the ones at the Dollar Tree. 99-cent store has them in gold, black, and silver. They also have this orb with an arrow through it in black, which I thought was such a fun, cool decor piece for 99 cents. And these pillar candle holders, look at how fun these are. These would be great on each side of a bed or in a bathroom. For 99 cents, you can't beat that. I also found this kind of like fleur-de-lis type wall decals. It comes with 2 sheets for 99 cents and they're repositionable. And if you're somebody who likes the tree look, this tree silhouette with the birds is amazing. It came with 2 sheets as well. And how about these solar clear floating globes that you can put in a pool? 1 comes per box and they are powered by 2 AA batteries. I just fell in love with this sign that says collect moments, not things, that's held with twine, and it is a heavy piece of tile. This was another fantastic find, this handheld sewing machine. It's powered up by 4 AA batteries. And for $4.99, you can't beat it. It comes with an extra needle and 3 extra bobbins. I also found this kit that has a bunch of bobbins, a pin cushion, needles for $3.99, also by Sunbeam. It's 100 pieces. I thought this dry erase calendar was really cool that you can fill in from month to month. I also found these coloring poster boards. 6 come in this set. They measure out at 13 inches by 18 inches. This is cool for $2.99. And although I didn't pick these up, I wanted to show you guys, so I pulled out my phone. These clocks are amazing for $7.99. These are absolutely gorgeous. What a great price for these. And I also saw this mirror and clock set. This is pretty cool as well. Loved this "Home is where the heart is" plaque. It shows it lit up, and so I thought that this would be a fun addition to the background of my crafting table. I also picked up one of these compass saws to add to my tool collection. My saw from the Dollar Tree just recently broke. These seem to work really well for cutting through foam core when you want to cut a real nice straight line or the pool noodles. A lot of people say you can use an electric knife. I don't have an electric knife, and so for 99 cents, this is a great alternative. These were a fantastic buy. Although, again, they weren't 99 cents, they are $2.99. This is fantastic. I like L'Oreal a lot. They had their conditioners and shampoos. They are 25 fluid ounces, which is a nice size conditioner. I bought 3 of each because we seem to go through more conditioner than we do shampoo because Allie, Kayla, and I have long hair. But they've got this Nutri-Gloss for a high shine conditioner, and they've got this Total Repair Extreme. I thought this was another amazing buy by L'Oreal. I actually use this exact heat protectant that I pick up from Walmart, and I usually pay about $3 or $4 for it. They had it at the 99-cent store for $1.99, so I picked up a couple of these because this is definitely something I use when I'm flat ironing my hair. 2 cans of this aerosol Halsa hairspray. I gotta tell you, I buy 99-cent stores hairspray because I absolutely love the fruity smell of it. This was another amazing find at the 99-cent store. For 99 cents, they are carrying all of these specialty oils. These are oils that I use very often in my recipes with Simply Earth. This almond oil, these are 100% pure oil. They had a coconut oil and an avocado oil. I picked up 4 bottles of each because it was there, it was easy to get to, and like I said, this is a great buy for these. So if you've got a 99-cent store near you and you are really into making your own essential oil recipes, I would go pick some of these up because these are a fantastic buy. And honestly, if you bought 3 of these at $3, this is the same size bottle that you would get off of Amazon for 11 or 12. I picked up 6 of these plastic garage sale signs. These were 50 cents a piece. And I thought instead of making new signs every time I have a garage sale, since these are plastic, I'll be using a dry erase marker on these and I can use them over and over. Allie really loves this Melissa and Doug brand, and I absolutely love their toys. They really go back to the old school wood toys, and they've got this reusable sticker pad, and it's got all these different rooms of the house that you can place stickers in and decorate it. This is stuff that Allie loves to do. It's stuff that keeps her occupied, and like most of you know, I am really trying to find things to keep her busy this summer to make it fun, things that we can do together, things that she can do while I'm crafting. And so this was a fantastic buy for $1.99. They had them for boys and girls, and they had a wide selection of these. Kayla always likes these lens cleaning wipes, so we got a box of these. And of course, my favorite candy ever, these Alpine Mints. And lastly, I picked up these decorative wood plaques that were also 99 cents. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I thought that they were cool and could see using them in an upcoming DIY. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for these fantastic new items that I found at the 99-cent store. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 1,500 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.